I got a video for y'all. I just got off work. I'm about to die. Heat stroke, got paid. Anyway, as you can see, the window's down and it's about 90 something degrees, about 100. Don't have AC. So I'm about to drive 45 minutes to my girlfriend's house, all the way from Opelika, Tigertown, Auburn area. And it's not looking good for me, bro. It's not. Anyway, tomorrow, bro, I'm freaking happy. We're going. I'm going. Me and the Vic going to my cousin's house in Leslie, Georgia. The Vic is finally gonna be, pacing the build. We're getting AC. Hopefully, we're getting that. I already have that other front control arm. Hopefully, we're putting that on. It's passenger side. I already did the driver's side. We're doing AC, windshield wiper switch, so my windshield wipers will work because they're not working as we speak. And we're doing mufflers. So, she's getting her done. The build is coming, bro. It's coming along. I'm trying to get. Oh, and we're doing spark plugs. That misfire's gonna be fixed tomorrow. I'm speaking it into existence that it's gonna be fixed tomorrow. Got the call, my grandma's in the hospital, so I'm on the way, an hour away from where I live, Columbus to Americus, my hometown. Driving out here, bro. The Vic's doing perfect, bro. I couldn't ask for better. It's doing so good right now. Gas is, I'm watching the needle slowly go down every few seconds. It's kind of scary. I filled up before I left. About an hour away. It's nothing but country out here. It's freaking insane, dude. Nothing but green. It's beautiful. But the Vic's doing good. We're chilling. I'll hit y'all back up when I get to my cousin's, probably later tonight. I'm stay there tonight because I'm not gonna feel like driving all the way back and then all the way back in the morning. So that's what we're gonna do. Stay the night with my cousin. Wake up in the morning, grind on the Vic. It's gonna be perfect, bro. Not perfect to my. How I want it, but perfect to most people, bro. She's still gonna look rough, but she gonna ride so good. It sounds so good, bro. I can't wait. All right, y'all. This is the fun part, though. Awful. Alright, y'all. Got the new exhaust in the Vic. Sounds pristine. Thanks to my cousin, because without him, I wouldn't have been able to do this jump by myself. We tried to do the AC. Hole in my condenser. Gotta get another one. I need a new intake manifold, which knew that already. Windshield wipers worked when I put the new switch in, and now they don't work. I don't get, probably a short somewhere. But on the way back to